Welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a journey to explore the top 5 waterfalls in Bali. If you're a traveler or adventurer looking to experience the serene beauty of Bali's natural wonders, this guide is for you. Let's dive into the lush tropical paradise of Bali's most stunning waterfalls. Tegenungun Waterfall. Our first stop is Tegenungun Waterfall, located just outside of Ubud. This waterfall is easily accessible and surrounded by beautiful green scenery. The powerful cascade creates a breathtaking view that's perfect for photos. This waterfall is set amidst dense tropical vegetation, offering a stunning contrast of bright green leaves against the white, rushing water. The sight and sound of the water plunging into the pools below is mesmerizing, creating a sense of peace and awe. Visitors can swim in the pool at the base of the waterfall, making it a refreshing spot to relax and cool off. Entrance fee is around $1, and the best time to visit is early in the morning to avoid the crowds. While you're here, don't miss the nearby attractions like Ubud Monkey Forest. Sekumpul Waterfall. Often regarded as Bali's most beautiful waterfall, this site features multiple cascades surrounded by lush tropical forests. It's a bit of a hike to get there, but the views are worth it. Sekumpul is actually a collection of 7 waterfalls, each cascading down the lush green cliffs. The journey to Sekumpul involves trekking through rice terraces, coffee plantations, and a dense jungle, adding to its sense of adventure. The waterfalls themselves are a sight to behold, with their white streams contrasting sharply against the verdant backdrop. The misty spray and sound of crashing water create an ethereal, almost magical atmosphere. The entrance fee is about $1.50. Our third destination is Gitgit Waterfall, a tall and narrow cascade located in the north of Bali. It's a popular stop known for its picturesque settings in a dense jungle. Gitgit Waterfall plunges down a steep rock face surrounded by lush jungle and often shrouded in a light mist. The water crashes onto a rocky pool below, creating a tranquil and picturesque. The path to Gitgit is lined with tropical plants and flowers, adding to the natural beauty of the area. The sound of the water and the chirping of the birds make for a serene and calming experience. You'll need to pay about 70 cents US to enter, and it's best to visit in the morning for a peaceful experience. Check out nearby attractions like Nungnung Waterfall Temple and the iconic Hundara Gate. The fourth waterfall on our list is Nungnung Waterfall. This towering waterfall is one of the tallest in Bali and offers a serene and tranquil environment. As you approach the waterfall, you'll descend a series of steps surrounded by dense greenery, creating a sense of adventure and anticipation. The sound of the rushing water grows louder with each step, building the excitement. When you finally reach the base, the sight is breathtaking, a powerful torrent of water plunging into the clear pool below, framed by vibrant tropical foliage. The mist from the waterfall creates a refreshing atmosphere perfect for cooling off after the hike. The surrounding area is incredibly picturesque, with large rocks, verdant plants providing a beautiful backdrop for photos. It's a place where you can easily spend hours soaking up the natural beauty and tranquility. The entrance fee is approximately $1, and visiting early in the morning ensures a quiet and intimate experience. Last but certainly not least, we have Lekeleke Waterfall. I had the pleasure of visiting this hidden gem, and the hike up felt like stepping into a whimsical fairyland. The lush greenery and secluded setting made it a must visit. Lekeleke Waterfall is hidden away on a narrow valley. The waterfall itself is a slender stream of water that cascades gracefully down a rocky cliff into a small pool below. The hike to the waterfall takes you through lush tropical vegetation, over small streams, and past vibrant flora, creating a magical and enchanting atmosphere. The tranquility and beauty of Lekeleke makes it a perfect spot for quiet reflection and appreciation of nature. The entrance fee is around $2, and the best time to visit is either in the morning or afternoon to enjoy the peaceful surroundings. While you're in the area, explore Bengal region and the charming village of Munduk. Let's dive into some honorable mentions that you absolutely can't miss when chasing waterfalls in Bali. First up, Munduk Waterfall. Located in the heart of Bali's coffee plantations, this waterfall is surrounded by the lush greenery and scent of fresh coffee. The easy access and scenic trails make it a perfect spot for a peaceful escape into nature. As you approach, the sound of rushing water grows louder, leading you to a breathtaking 15-meter drop. The misty spray and vibrant flora create a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Whether you're here for a refreshing dip or just to marvel at its beauty, Munduk offers a peaceful escape into nature's embrace. Next, Banyumal Waterfalls. Located in the northern part of the island, these twin waterfalls create a stunning backdrop with their parallel streams cascading down into a serene, crystal clear water. Once there, the sight of the twin falls side by side is truly captivating. It's an ideal spot for swimming, and the calm, refreshing water offers a perfect way to cool off from the tropical heat. Lastly, Kanto Waterfall. This unique waterfall, located near the village of Bang, offers a distinctive experience with its multi-tiered rock formation. Instead of a single huge Kanto features several small cascades that create a beautiful layered effect. It's a favorite among photographers for its striking visuals, especially when the sunlight hits the water, creating a magical sparkle. The shallow pool in the base is perfect for wading, and the rocks are easy to climb, making it an adventurous yet accessible spot for all ages. These waterfalls showcase why Bali is often called the Islands of the Gods. The natural beauty, the adventure, the serenity found here truly feel divine. Each waterfall offers a unique experience, from tranquil escape at Munduk to the adventurous trek of Banyumal and its photogenic charm of Kanto. Whether you're a thrill seeker or nature lover, Bali's waterfalls promise an unforgettable journey through some of the island's most stunning landscapes. That's it for our top 5 waterfalls in Bali. Each of these waterfalls offers a unique experience and a chance to connect with nature. I hope this guide helps you plan your itinerary and make the most of your Bali adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. See you in the next video.